Hey everyone, it's your girl Jenny, and today is Wednesday, I think. I just got done with a workout. Alright, y'all. I'm home now. Big tip that I have for you if you guys work out with headphones like this is to wipe them down. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm super sweaty, I feel super gross, but also really good. But just make sure to wipe it down because you don't want these to get gross. Hello. Hi. Alright, y'all, so this is what I got at Target today, which I have to cook. I'm gonna cut up a bunch of these potatoes, and for the first time since I've unboxed it, I'm actually gonna use the air fryer. But I genuinely do not know how to use it, so this is gonna be fun. So you're gonna go ahead and season it however the heck you want. Should we get more? Oh my god, this is what I'm nervous for because since I bought this, I haven't used it.
Oh, what are you making next?
I'm making potatoes. See?
Potatoes.
They said to, shit, how do I do this? What? Temperature? Okay, time 22, temperature 400. My dinner, my dessert. See?
I think you did a good job.
Thanks.
Sounds good too. Barbecue chicken salad.
Oh, that sounds good.
It's good.
It's good.
Yay! Gas station when we went to the mall the first time.
Ooh, my date tonight.
What's this in here?
So for our entree, that's what it's called, right?
Yeah.
We have the fish, some, what is the spring mix? Some roasted potatoes, Sprite, and then what do you have?
I have a chicken breast tuna with corn.
Dang, that sounds good. And then what is that?
It's lemonade.
Dang. Alright, now we have moved on to our dessert portion of the evening. I have a chocolate cheesecake with whipped cream and a little chocolate. And she's got what is the regular cheesecake with also whipped cream.
Made by me.
Alright, y'all, so I am done with dinner, dessert. My friend Liz, who is also my roommate, we cleaned up the kitchen. She took out the garbage. Shout out to her. It is a lot later in the evening because we were talking, chilling, and we were trying to think of ideas for her birthday that's coming up in a month. But now it is 10 p.m. Wow, I hit myself hard. It is 10 p.m. so I think I might call it a night soon, which is weird because I never go to sleep early. But I'm gonna go ahead and pack my gym bag for tomorrow so I don't get lazy. What else do I have to do? And I have to prep my stuff for work tomorrow. I already made my lunch. You know, set yourself up for success because I tend to forget to, but not this year. No. Alright, so I guess that's it. I don't think there's anything else. I feel like I'm forgetting to do something, but that's on me and I'll figure it out. But that is it for tonight. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.